Look closely. Something amazing is about to happen. Have you ever looked up at the sky after the rain and suddenly stopped to stare? Maybe you said, "Wow, look at that." That beautiful rainbow didn't appear by magic. It has a very special secret, so let's discover it together. Rainbows appear when sunlight meets tiny drops of rain floating in the air all around us. The sun's light may look white, but it's actually made of many different colors, all mixed together. When sunlight enters a raindrop, it slows down just a little. Then something surprising happens. The light bends as it moves inside the drop, and as it bends, the colors begin to separate. Red comes first, then orange, then yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Each tiny raindrop works like a little glass prism, splitting light into beautiful colors. Now imagine millions and millions of raindrops doing this at the very same time. All those tiny color splits line up in the sky, and together they form one big, glowing rainbow. That's why rainbows always appear on the opposite side of the sun. The sun must be behind you, and the rain must be in front of you. When rain and sunshine happen together, the sky can paint a rainbow just for us. So next time you see sunlight shining after the rain, take a moment, look up, and remember, you are watching light, color, and nature working together. See you in the next episode.